Hey everyone, so I'll show you how you can change your YouTube channel's name. It's really easy, but to be honest, I'm going to change my YouTube channel name so that I can give more kind of videos related to tech. So while doing that, I was getting challenged how you can change your channel's name once it is you start giving videos. So there is some doubts if you can change your channel's name. So I thought let's make a quick video so that you can also learn how to change channel name. So first of all, go to your channels studio. So you can click on manage videos or customize channel. So let me click on customize channel. So here you can see the brand name and everything related to your brand. So I'm going to change it to tech circle. So let's see if it is available. Yeah, it seems like this handle is also available. So I'm going to change the description as well, everything, right? Social, video, and everything, maybe after doing the video. But that's how you need to change your channel name. So once you're done, click on publish, and that's it. You will be done. So let me know if it was helpful. Thank you everyone, and please continue supporting us. Thanks again.